Will dating a younger man work? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about and kind of tease out what some of the elements are that you might want to think about in regards to dating a younger man. So the main goal in dating anyone is having shared values and having passion. Now, passion is like almost the easiest thing, but to maintain passion over the long term, that can be a little bit more challenging if you don't know what to do. In terms of maintaining passion, that's a polarity thing. I have other videos about masculine and feminine energy. I won't go into that right now. But having similar values is very important. If you are 45 and you don't want kids, and he's 38 and he's just starting to think about kids and wants kids, huge no. You know, this is where age does matter because you might be in different stages of your life. If you are 35 years old and you have an established career, you've done all of your studying and, climbing the corporate ladder or building your business, and now you are really established and making great money, and you're dating a 29-year-old man or younger who is still, unsure of what he wants to do and not really using his drive to establish himself in the world, that may not be a good match, okay? But if you're 60 and you're dating a man 8 years younger, for example, even 10 years younger, why not? You probably could both have, children and grandchildren similar ages. You certainly don't have, career or child rearing plans to start from scratch at this point. You're both, either established or winding down in your careers. That is a different stage in life. So I'm giving these examples as examples, okay? You might be in a situation that's none of these examples, but take this and apply it to your situation and make it make sense for you. Values are key. You must hold the same values. If you want to travel a lot because you're now retired, you're 55 years old, you've been a nurse for, 25 years, and you're now retired and you have a nice pension and you want to travel, and you are now dating someone who's 49 and he still has a 10-year-old and a 9-year-old at home, maybe not the greatest match. So see how age itself isn't necessarily the issue, it's the circumstances and the values around it. Now, there are some maturity things as well. I've always thought that women are more mature more quickly. So when you are already older than a man, that might play into it. Now, a lot of men are more mature than their counterparts. For whatever reason, they've gone through a divorce, a death in the family, a loss of some sort, or really challenging strife in their life on some level. That matures a man a lot quicker. In fact, I would recommend a book called The Keys to the Kingdom by Allison A. Armstrong. That describes the journey of growth in a general man really well, and it helps you really understand what stages of life men are at certain different pockets of ages. So you can decide for yourself. But the main things are that your values are aligned, that you are in stages of life that are compatible, where you're not in a mother role. If that's happening, check your patterns. Why do you become the mother role in a relationship? Check in with those patterns. And that he is not, that he's pulling his weight in terms of life. I don't mean necessarily money, but that he's pulling his own weight in his own life and he matches your life trajectory. And in that case, if he's open to growing with you and building an amazing relationship and working on keeping this incredible connection, then go for it. There's nothing to say that you should not be with a younger man. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button because I release 2 videos every week, and that way you don't miss out. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.